Good morning, children. Today is Monday. Repeat after me. Today is Monday. Today we will start with phonic song of letter F. Okay? 5 flamingos. Now repeat the rhyme after me. 5 flamingos, f. 5 flamingos, f. 5 flamingos, f. F is the sound of F. Once again. 5 flamingos, f. 5 flamingos, f. 5 flamingos, f. F is the sound of F. So make it a point to practice again the rhyme from A to F. Okay? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay? Practice the song again. Next, open your rhymes and songs book. Book number 6. Open page number 7. Okay? Page number 7. My hands. The rhyme is my hands. Please repeat the rhyme after me. I use my hands to wave. I use my hands to wave. Hi-ho the dairy, oh, I use my hands to wave. I use my mouth to smile. I use my mouth to smile. Hi-ho the dairy, oh, I use my mouth to smile. Okay, this rhyme you have to practice. And down, see, you can see here sight words. Okay? This sight words you have to practice whenever you are learning the rhyme also. See, I circled the sight words. The same way you also circle and practice the sight words also. I, U-S-E, use, M-Y, my, T-O, to. Okay, the same way all the sight words wherever you see in the rhyme, you have to circle. Next, open page number 8. Page number 8, the rhyme is my eyes. Okay, now, my eyes are for seeing all things bright and beautiful. My ears are for hearing all things loud and clear. My nose is for smelling all sweet and nice things. My tongue is for tasting all sweet and sour things. My hands are for touching all safe and good things. This rhyme will help you to understand the functioning of your body parts. Okay? You use your eyes to see the things. You use your ears to hear noise. You use your nose for smelling. You use your tongue for tasting. You use your hands for touching. Okay? So whatever it is, the rhyme you will learn about the body parts. Okay? Now here you see, you can see again sight words. M-Y, my, A-R-E-R, F-O-R, fur, A-L-L, all, A-N-D, and. Okay? So here what I did, I circled. See, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, M-Y, my. Okay? The same way again A-R-E. Yes, I circled, see, A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R. Okay? A-R-E-R. Fur also I circle. Yes. And the next one also, see. What is the word? A-L-L, all. See. A-L-L, all. Repeat and circle. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Now the next sight word is A-N-D, and. Okay. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. A-N-D, and. Okay, so this is how you have to circle the sight words every time. On regular basis you have to practice the sight words also. Next, open your general awareness book, book number 4. Okay, open page number 9. Can you see? Page number 9. Okay. Now this is the worksheet. You have to read the word and match to the body part. Okay. Now start from here. H-E-A-D. Head. So where is the head? Here. Very good. Now just draw the line. Okay. Now E-A-R. Ear. Where is the ear? Here. Okay. Now just draw the line. N-E-C-K. Neck. Where is the neck? Here. Okay. So draw the line to that particular body part. Now elbow. E-L-B-O-W. So match to elbow. H-A-N-D. Hand. Match to hand. L-E-G. Leg. Match to leg. K-N-E-E. Knee. Match to knee. Okay. Now here. E-Y-E. Eye. Okay. Eye. Match to eye. N-O-S-E. Nose. Okay. Match to nose. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Match to mouth. Now S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder. Match to shoulder. A-R-M. Arm. Match to arm. W-A-I-S-T. Waist. Match to waist. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers. Match to fingers. F-O-O-T. Foot. Match to foot. T-O-E-S. Toes. Okay. So this is how you have to match all the body parts and make it a point daily to practice these sight words. Okay. Next, open literacy skills book, book number 1. Okay. Here go to page number 13. Page number 13. Okay. Once we will do revision of this letters. Okay. A. Ant. A. Apple. B. Bat. B, bag. C, cup. C, cap. D, desk. D, doll. E, egg. E, engine. So practice this phonic sounds with letters and objects. Now next open page number 14. Here you can see page number 14. Okay. Here today we will discuss this page. This is your homework. Please note this. This will be your homework. We will just discuss this page and worksheet you have to do by yourself. Okay. Now what is this letter? F. F for fish. F for fox. G, girl. See, G, girl. G, gate. H, her hat. H, her hat. H, her hut. H, her hut. I, insect. I, India. Okay. So you have to circle. This is your homework. Today you will learn new sight words. Okay. He. He. I. In. Okay. Please learn these sight words. You are having these flashcards with you. You learn from those flashcards. Okay. Whatever sight words you are learning, please daily you practice all those sight words. Next, open your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Here, open page number 10. Page number 10. Peekaboo. I think you know this game, right? Peekaboo. Yes. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Okay. You have to observe this book and you have to write. Count and write. Okay. Number of starfish. Okay. You have to count how many starfish are there in the picture. You have to count and write the number here. Now, number of umbrellas. Okay. How many umbrellas you can see in the page in this picture? You have to write that number here. Okay. Now, number of birds. See how many birds you can see? 2. Okay. You have to write here the number. Now, number of children. Okay. So, how many children? Yes, 2. So, you will write number 2 here. Now, number of fish. How many fish you can see? 1, here 2. Okay. So, count and write here the number. Okay. This is your homework. Please count and write the number here. Okay. So, bye for today. Please practice all the sight words. Okay. Bye.